What does a fraud investigator do? Have you ever wondered how organizations catch fraudsters in the act? The role of a fraud investigator is key in this process. So, what exactly does a fraud investigator do? A fraud investigator specializes in detecting, investigating, and preventing fraudulent activities. They play a vital role in protecting both organizations and individuals from financial harm. At the core of their work, fraud investigators examine allegations or suspicions of fraud. This involves collecting and analyzing evidence. They review documents and financial transactions to spot inconsistencies that may indicate fraudulent behavior. Interviews with victims, witnesses, and suspects are also part of their job. This helps them gather information to support or refute claims of fraud. Fraud investigators perform several important functions. They conduct thorough investigations into suspected fraud cases. Their goal is to ensure that all findings are objective and backed by solid evidence. They also evaluate potential fraud risks within organizations. By performing fraud risk assessments, they identify vulnerabilities to both internal and external threats. Another key responsibility is developing and implementing fraud prevention and detection processes. These processes are tailored to meet the specific needs of the organization. This may include training staff and management on how to recognize and respond to fraud. Managing caseloads efficiently is also crucial. Fraud investigators prioritize their investigations to achieve timely and effective outcomes. When they complete their investigations, fraud investigators prepare detailed reports. These reports summarize their findings, analyze the evidence, and provide recommendations for prosecution or restitution when necessary. Collaboration with legal professionals is essential. They work with defense attorneys and law enforcement agencies to support prosecution efforts and improve investigative strategies. Fraud investigators may also coordinate field assignments to gather additional evidence. This could involve site visits or surveillance when needed. Their work often intersects with the legal system, making their role important for law students studying criminal law or white-collar crime. Fraud investigation covers a wide range of fraudulent activities. This includes identity theft, bribery, forgery, embezzlement, and insurance fraud. Investigators can work in various settings, such as corporate compliance departments, law enforcement agencies, insurance companies, or government regulatory bodies. In essence, fraud investigators are essential in uncovering fraud and protecting organizations and individuals. They provide credible evidence and expert analysis that supports the legal process. Their work requires a mix of analytical skills, legal knowledge, and effective communication to navigate complex fraud cases successfully.